In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Monday.com board data into Power BI and turn it into a report or dashboard. We'll go through the process in a simple, practical way so you can move from your Monday.com board into Power BI without confusion. The goal here is to get your data into Power BI successfully so you can start analyzing it, building visuals, and creating dashboards that are easier to share and understand. To begin, open the Monday.com board you want to use in Power BI. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple boards with similar names or layouts. This is important because the data you choose at this stage is the foundation for everything you'll build later in Power BI. If needed, export the board data to Excel. This is often the easiest route if you want a straightforward file-based import. When exporting, make sure the data includes the columns and values you actually want to analyze. A quick review of the exported file can save you time later, especially if you need to confirm that statuses, dates, owners, or other fields came through correctly. Next, open Power BI. Once it loads, you'll be ready to bring in your Monday.com data. From the home area, choose Get Data. This is the starting point for connecting Power BI to external sources, and it gives you several ways to bring your data in depending on the format or connection method you're using. From there, select Excel, Web, or the connector method you plan to use. If you exported your board as an Excel file, choose Excel and browse to the file you saved. If you're accessing the data another way, such as through a web source or a connector, select that option instead. The key here is choosing the method that matches how your Monday.com data is available. Now load the Monday.com data into Power BI. During this step, Power BI may show you a preview of the available tables or sheets. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct dataset. If the preview looks right, go ahead and load it. If needed, you can also clean or shape the data before fully importing it, which can be helpful if your exported file contains extra columns or formatting issues. Once the data is loaded, you can start building your report or dashboard from the imported data. Create charts, tables, summaries, or KPI views based on what you want to track. Focus on the visuals that make your board data easier to interpret and more useful for decision making. That's the full process for taking Monday.com board data into Power BI and turning it into something visual and actionable.